Hi students, in this session we are going to do a hybrid topology. So how to do hybrid topology is simple. Already you know I am taking two different topologies. One is bus, one is mesh. So in this case I am taking some switches. So already you know, so some switches here, 1, 2 and 3 switches I am taking. So these 3 switches are going to connect to a bus system. So we know how to communicate with the bus. Previously we did this experiment. So 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 different switches are connected in a bus topology. And one more thing I am going to take, that is nothing but maybe a ring topology. So here switch I am taking. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So this is connected in a both. So here the connections I want to do. So in between these two. So this is bus topology is established right now. So now these are the systems connected to the two respective switches. Okay. So then, so this. Now here these are these 4, 5 are in a ring topology. So they are also connected like this. So here and here. So here. So here. Okay, so this is the thing which is connected in a topology. So the topology connection, so for suppose this is a wrong connection it is showing, so that's why, so I want to connect properly. So this one is connected to, so this one, so where it is connected, so fast Ethernet 4x1 is there and this is there. So it is not taking properly. So that's why here what is the problem? So FA0 is already connected, this one is connected. So the number of things 1, 2, 3, 4 so are there. So here the switch, how many are there? The switch configuration. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So but here 6 devices are not there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this case maybe the communication we need to establish by using these two. So fast Ethernet 4x1 is there. So that is already busy. Okay. So here one more thing is also busy. Okay. So if I don't want to connect these two things, so simply here I can change this switch. I can change this switch because more number of ports I want. So that's why I am taking one more type of device. So that is the complexity what I got. So this is the switch. So by using this switch I can connect easily. So the number of devices, fast Ethernet 1. So here fast Ethernet 0. So in this way also I have Ethernet 2 and so here. Then here also fast Ethernet and this one is connected to here. So here, so the fast Ethernet is connected to this one and this one. Okay. So like this, these are connected. So once the connection is done, simply you need to connect the number of devices also. So here from here to here. Okay. So these all devices are connected and the connections are established and everything is converted into green color. See now from here to here also it is connecting to green color. So here there is no mismatch, FA1 and FA01. So here FA1 and FA01. So the such type of mismatch we don't we need not to participate. So such type of things are is not going to take. So that is the main agenda. Okay. So if any thing mismatch is there, so automatically it will resolve. So now I need to connect with the devices. Okay, some laptops or something I am going to connect here, and one more thing is for here, one more thing is here. So next one more thing is here. So these all are connected, and by using direct connectivity I can connect from here to here. Okay. From here to here. So from here to here. So from here to here. Okay. So these all are connected. So now the system established a communication through all these ports. Now I want to check for the working. So to check for the working terminology, so we need to go with something called IP address 192.168.1. So this is the first thing what I do. 192.168.1.1. Okay, so next one I call this one, this one, okay, here, here, here. So that's it. These are more enough. From here to here and here to here. So this connection only is the problem. Okay. So just I want to make sure 0 1 2 Okay. So now once this is done, so I want to give the names for each one. So this is 2. So this is 3, because they are in the same LAN. So they all are in the same LAN. So that's why I am giving same IP, same type of IP I am giving. This is 4, but they are connected in a hybrid topology. That's it. That is only the difference. 6. So 5, 6. So this is 7. Okay. Done. So now, so if I want to run anything, so from here to here. So because we are not giving the addresses inside, I have not configured. That's why I configure the addresses 192.168.1.1. So that is done. So desktop config 1.2. Okay, done. So this is desktop config 3. Done. So this one desktop config 4. Done. So this one config 5. Okay, done. So this one desktop. Okay, so then 6. So here one more thing. Desktop config 6 7. This is 6. Yeah, done. So all are completed now. Just put one. So successful. The communication is successful. Simulate. So in simulation, the data is moving in this way. So from here to here, and after that, that is moving in this path. So like this it is. Okay. So because it is connected in this way, that's why it is not connected in this way. So like that. For suppose, if I want to connect, if I want to communicate between them, so in real time, so just here and here. Successful. This is the shortest path, but it must and should go in this way only. So it is going in this way and in this way, in this way. Like that only it will go. Because two things are going on right now. So that is the data transferring between node to node or hop to hop. Okay. Once again you got the acknowledgement. That's it. So this is how you need to work with the Cisco Packet Tracer. This is the simplest one. The experiment what I am showing here. So establishing different topologies is the simplest one among all the basics. So but if you go through some IPs and everything, so how to establish a wireless LAN and everything, that at that moment you got some knowledge. Okay. So like this, the entire network institutes and network training institutes and everyone. So like this only they are going to train, but you need to focus very. Okay, when you focus, then in this you have lot of opportunities. So in networking side, in communication side, there are a lot of opportunities in the industry. Okay, so by using configuration, run command also you can do ping. So 192.168.1.6. So it is sending the information and it is receiving. So like that you can do. Thank you. So this is end of the topologies. Fifth experiment is completed. Hybrid. The hybrid topology.